Mortars are a type of artillery that fires shells or missiles at a high angle to a target. They are typically used to provide indirect fire support for infantry or to attack targets that are difficult to reach with other types of artillery. Mortars can be mounted on a variety of platforms, including vehicles, ships, and aircraft, and are used by various branches of the military, as well as by law enforcement agencies and other organizations. There are several different types of mortars, including smoothbore and rifled, and they come in a range of sizes and calibers. The modern mortar was developed in the early 20th century and saw widespread use during World War I and World War II. Mortars are generally considered to be more accurate than other types of artillery, due to the high angle at which they are fired. Some modern mortars are equipped with guidance systems that allow them to be guided to their targets with a high degree of accuracy. Mortars are often used to provide suppressive fire or to attack enemy positions that are hidden or hard to reach, such as bunkers or buildings. They are also useful for attacking enemy forces that are located on the other side of hills or other terrain features.